Alrighty, fellas and fellas, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, I'd like to mention V&V Automotive quite a bit. Alright, they're a shop out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Alright, a link will be in the description. They do quite a bit of work. They do really good work. I was over there visiting the other day. I've had this video for a few days now. I've been wanting to post it, but this is just a little show and tell of their work if you're ever so interested. All right, so this is just a show and tell video. This is a V8 into a V6 swap Blazer type deal. It's really badass. All right, hope you appreciate this video. It's just a little peek of what they're doing. All right, so they plan on taking this out to the drag strip and running it, which is going to be pretty badass. All right, so I believe it's on the Instagram. Maybe I'll leave a link in the description to that. All right, the motor, they put everything in. They built the motor, put the motor in, did the exhaust, everything, whatnot have you. All right, hot damn hell yeah. Here you go, enjoy. If you don't mind me asking, just a quick couple details on the ins and specs. Just size the motor.
It's
what is it? If
it's
you
a
don't,
350 board 20
350 board 20 over.
Yeah, with the
all right.
big heads.
Big heads. Big cam. Sounds so good. Sounds so good. This is
accessory drive, shorty headers.
For right now. I'm gonna call it. Hold on. For right now, I'm gonna call it Weapon X. This is great. This will be out at the track, hopefully. Someday. Just let it take its course and take its time. Ooh, it's gonna be a fun driver. Hot damn hell yeah. This is just a little quick sneak peek, V&V Automotive, a little bit of fun projects. This is funny. This thing sounds great. All right, y'all badass, hot damn hell yeah. Hope you enjoyed this little quick show and tell. And hopefully I see you at the track Saturday. All right, that's 2/29/2020. Hot damn. And we are not, brand doesn't matter. We got some Teslas, Corvettes, Fords, Ram. We got a Chrysler 300 coming out. Hopefully a Raptor and a Mustang. All right, let's get it. It's all about fun. Hot damn.